WebPrint is a service that allows you to print PDF documents from your own laptop to any Manhattan College computer lab printer. You can find WebPrint by typing WebPrint into the quick link search on insidemanhattan.edu, or you can type webprint.manhattan.edu into your address bar. Once you get to the WebPrint landing page, click on Sign in via JasperNet. Here you enter your JasperNet credentials. You get to the WebPrint tab. Click on Submit a Job. Here you can select the printer you'd like to use from the list of printers. Scroll down to the lower right of the screen to number 2, Print Options and Account Selection. Here is where you can decide on how many copies you need. Then click on Upload Documents. Notice the preferred file extension type is PDF. Click on Upload from Computer. Click on the document you'd like to print. Click Open. Then scroll over to Upload and Complete. On this WebPrint page, this tells you that the job is processing. The status tells you that the job is finished and queued for printing, and the printer column tells you the exact location where you can find the printer. On the left column under the PaperCut NG logo, I just wanted to point out you can also view your transaction history, which shows all the print jobs you've ever completed. And if you're just curious in your recent print jobs, click on Recent Print Jobs. FYI, you get 1,000 pages per semester, and this total resets at the beginning of each semester. When you're finished printing, please remember to click Log Out.